In today's tutorial, you'll learn 4 techniques for beating information overload. For nearly 3 decades, the internet has provided us with easy access to all the information we could need. This has been both a blessing and a curse. The minute you turn on any internet-connected device, you turn on an endless stream of information. Unfortunately, this endless stream of information can start to hurt regarding unnecessary distractions and interruptions. Here are several powerful techniques to help you beat information overload. Number 1. Turn off selected notifications. Many of the websites, tools, apps, social networks, and platforms available encourage you to opt into notifications. In some cases, you may need to have these notifications turned on. However, in most cases, you probably don't. To begin the process of reducing information overload, start by turning off notifications on your device that are not necessary for your personal or professional needs. You also want to look at the notifications you receive from social media and determine whether you need to receive these or not. After checking the various social media platforms, take a look at the apps and tools and turn off any notifications that aren't necessary. Number 2. Unsubscribe from email subscriptions. If you get a ton of email from the same people or businesses and find that you trash or archive them without reading, it's time to do some cleaning. An excellent service that you can use to help you with this is Unroll.me. It works by scanning your inbox and identifying emails that are sent to you automatically. After scanning your inbox, it provides you with 3 options for each subscription. You can choose to keep the subscription, unsubscribe from the subscription, or have them rolled into a daily digest that delivers the emails you selected in a single email. Number 3. Get all your news in one place. If you're wary of unsubscribing from emails and turning off notifications because you're afraid you'll miss out on the news from your favorite site, consider getting all your news from one source. You can subscribe to multiple sources via RSS feed and get all your favorite blogs and news sources in one place. Doing this will allow you to stop signing up for notifications and emails to get the latest content. Number 4. Unfollow social media feeds. The feeds that you follow on social media can become a nightmare in regards to information overload. Fortunately, every social media platform has ways for you to unfollow specific sources and remove them from your newsfeed. By unfollowing particular sources of information, you can ensure that the data in your news feeds is information that you want to see. After you've completed the 4 steps and reduced the amount of information that you obtain through various sources, it's time to unplug for a bit so you can recharge. Turn on the Do Not Disturb feature on your phone so you can enjoy some peace and beat information overload.